Guys, a little video here for you tonight. Had a little run-in at work with a hidden battery post. And I posted a picture of the battery post on my Facebook group. And basically I was running a network cable, basically, in a vehicle I was working on. And I'm not gonna say what vehicle, nothing like that. I was working on a vehicle, and normally, like I've got fiberglass rods that you tape your wire onto the rod and push the rod through, through the panels and whatnot. And this particular vehicle is a little bit different than other ones I've been working on, and it's actually the first one. And so I was running the cable or running the tried to use the fiberglass rod, but it wouldn't go through. It just can't bend properly enough. You know what I mean? It just can't bend it the way it needs to go. So I got stainless steel whips in the machine, and sometimes I use those to get me out of jams. Well, instead of this thing getting me out of a jam, it put me into a pretty good jam. I went and take the wire onto the whip like I normally would, and push it up through. Yeah. It was tight. There was a bit of plastic panel and whatnot there. It was tight. And I pushed up through, and she popped through, best kind. And she went up. And so I kept pushing and pushing and pushing. And there's an opening on one side. I put my head in and have a look. I said, okay, there's the whip. But it's gone up straight. So I said, okay, very good. And it's gone up behind another wooden panel, whatever, up on back. So this is the fun part. I went and take the whip to pull it back out, straighten it out to get it where I needed to go versus where it went. And when I went to grab the whip to pull it back out, the whip was kind of extremely hot to the point that sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. And not good. I managed to get the whip out of it anyway. And there was a little bit of smoke coming out of the hole where I wanted to run the wire. That whip was awfully hot, like really, really hot. And basically what it was, someone in their great wisdom decided to put a random battery post, terminal, whatever, up toward the roof of the said vehicle. And the wire, it just went straight up to the post, and then it came straight down. There's no logical reason why the post was where it was. There's no need of it to be where it was. It makes no logical reason for it to be where it was. And the only thing I can figure why they went there, the wire they had wasn't long enough. They said, oh, well, our wire's not long enough, so we got to join it with another piece. So how do we join it? With a battery post. One of them red ones, it got a bolt on it, and you put your wires on that. Yeah, one of them. Needless to say, the whip was jammed between chassis ground and that battery post. Therefore, that made all the heat. And my poor hands, I got a pretty good burn across them. My pinky, me first four fingers from the pinky, like this one got to burn, this one got to burn, this one got to burn, and this one got to burn. With a stainless steel whip. Yeah. So I spent about 6 hours at the local hospital to get checked out. And give me some cream and whatnot to put on her. And I ended up with first degree and some superficial burns as well. Plus, I ended up with a tetanus shot. Yeah. Needless to say, the company is getting a little email about the placement of their battery post. Why they put it there? It makes no logical reason. It was hidden behind panels. It was hidden behind wires. There was no way to know it was there. It was impossible to know that it was there. And you literally had, in order to know it was there, you had to literally open a little door, access door, put your head and look right in. Like you had to put your head right in there and look around the corner to see it. I don't know. So, yeah. My hand's got a pretty good burn. I got some lotion on them there now. Maybe I'll see a little burn mark, that little black mark on my finger kind of thing. Yeah, that's part of the whip. Yeah, so my pinky got it. You see the mark right there, little dark spot there? Yep, that's where I started, right across. 4 of them. So, yeah, great way to end a Friday. Good way to end a work week. Anyway, that's what happened to me. So, that's twice now in 2024 that I've had running with batteries. First time I had running with batteries was batteries around shore power, and 2 of them decided to lose their tops. Batteries literally, they started, they were venting like big time. They blew their tops. And yeah, so that's 2 for 2024. And as we know, it all comes in 3s. What in the hell is going to happen next? Anyway, guys, needless to say, come Monday, I'm going looking for some nice fiberglass fish rods. Not the rods, but like fishing, like fiberglass, like the orange fiberglass, like Unreal, you know what I mean? That's flexible enough that I can run that wherever I need it to go and be just as flexible as a stainless steel whip. Because as of today, I will never use a stainless steel whip to fish a wire ever again. Ever. Take it from me, folks. I learned the hard way, so you don't have to. Anyway, guys. 11 years working at this job, and the first time I got a burn. It's a nasty burn, but I'll live. I got to keep the fingers moist now for a couple of days, and watch for infection, which I hope I don't get, because nobody likes infections. Oh, that's so sore. Oh yeah, not good at all. Hey folks, all the best, and radios. They can be your buddies or your worst enemy. Electronics can be a pretty dangerous thing at times, and batteries are no exception. Especially when you short out the chassis and your hands cross it. Not nice. Anyway, guys, all the best, 7-3, and we'll talk to you on the next video. All the best. This is Reno 63. We're out of here. And once again, stay away from stainless steel whips when you're doing fishing wires anywhere, where you may end up with burned fingers like me. Not good.